The LG W30 comes with full vision dot-notch display, which gives you an immersive viewing experience with a near bezel-less 6.26-inch screen. The phone is available in Aurora Green, Platinum Grey and Thunder Blue colors. The LG W30 comes with 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 256GB. It provides for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The W30 features a 6.26-inch full-vision HD screen display with a customizable notch design that can be changed as per your requirements. It comes with a 19:9 aspect ratio that provides a more enjoyable viewing experience when playing and watching movies. Unlock your phone instantly with fast face unlock and a fingerprint sensor. The phone comes with AI-enabled triple rear cameras that bring to you the power of 3 lenses to maximize your photography experience with bokeh mode, low-light photography and wide-angle shots. The 16-megapixel front camera with beauty mode lets you take quality selfies with ease. The phone runs on pure and up-to-date Android 9.0 OS with an octa-core processor that provides for smooth multitasking and high-end gaming. LG W30 comes with a long-lasting 4000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, charger, quick start guide, USB data cable and SIM ejector pin. The LG W30 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.